Corocattas are something that we all enjoy, be it sweet or savory. Today I'm going to show you a very different kind of coricatta with a very nice stuffing, which is chicken stuffing. So let's get started and check out this amazing chicken coricatta. For the chicken coricatta, first I'm going to make the chicken filling. For this, take a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil, add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, add 10 cloves of garlic chopped, a large piece of ginger chopped, 2 large green chilies chopped, next add 2 medium-sized onions roughly chopped, saute the onions till they are transparent. Now add 200 grams of boneless chicken. I've cut this chicken into small pieces. Saute the chicken pieces for about 2 minutes. Next I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala powder, the boneless chicken pieces cook very fast. So after adding the masalas, cook the chicken pieces for about 10 minutes and turn off the stove. So as you can see, the chicken is cooked. I'm going to finish off with some chopped coriander leaves. Turn off the stove and cool the chicken. The chicken has cooled down completely. Transfer it to a mixer jar. Now I am grinding this in 2 batches. Just pulse it a few times. Check to see if you have the right consistency. So you can see it's minced beautifully, but it's not too pasty. So make sure it's not too pasty, then it won't taste that good. To make the coricatta dough, I've taken 1 cup of rice flour. You can also use idiyappam flour. To this add 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons gingelly oil. Just give it a quick mix. So gradually pour the hot water and start mixing the dough. So you can see the dough is coming together beautifully. Let the dough sit for about 10 minutes. The dough has been sitting for 10 minutes. Take a little bit of the dough. I've taken a piece of banana leaf. I'm just going to grease it fully. Take a little bit of the chicken filling, place it in the center, just spread it out. Now gently fold in the leaf and press on all sides. Now make sure you need to do this very gently. You don't want to put too much pressure because then the coricatta can break. You're just sealing it from all sides. So just put very little pressure and make sure it's completely sealed. So once you've made sure you've sealed it on all sides, gently open the leaf. Place it on a greased plate. So I'm going to steam these. So make sure they're big enough just to fit the plate. Steam cook for about 10 minutes on medium flame. There you go. Here are these savory chicken coriander that you can enjoy anytime. It's a great snack to be had. You can even make it for evening tiffin or for parties. It's a great finger food as well. So do try this recipe and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.